Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Toyota 4Runner in Forza Horizon 5. This robust off-road vehicle is a fantastic addition to any garage, perfect for tackling the diverse terrains of Mexico. We will explore the main avenues for acquiring it, ensuring you know exactly what to do. Whether you are a seasoned player or new to the game, these instructions will guide you smoothly. Get ready to enhance your off-roading adventures with this iconic SUV. One of the most reliable ways to get your hands on the Toyota 4Runner is through the in-game auction house. Here, other players list their vehicles for sale. You will need a good amount of in-game credits, typically several million, to either bid on an active auction or use the buyout option for an instant purchase. Keep an eye on listings, as prices can fluctuate based on demand and availability. Patience is key when searching for a good deal. The Toyota 4Runner has frequently been a reward in the festival playlist, requiring players to complete various seasonal challenges. These challenges can include races, PR stunts, and other activities, earning you points towards unlocking the car. Additionally, keep a close watch on the Forza shop, which refreshes its inventory periodically. While not always available, it is another potential avenue to acquire this sought-after off-roader, using your Forza points. To successfully acquire rare vehicles like the 4Runner, it is wise to save your in-game credits. Always participate in the weekly and seasonal festival playlist events, as these are prime opportunities for exclusive car rewards. Engaging with the Forza Horizon community can also provide valuable insights into when specific cars might reappear or be available for trade. With a bit of persistence and strategic planning, you will soon be cruising in your very own Toyota 4Runner.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.